Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to be here amongst the great thinkers, stalwarts, and industry leaders of the agrochemical industry. And I would like to thank PMFI for having an agri-tech startup to present here the innovations that we are doing in this agriculture sector. Taking this forward, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Yuvraj Patil, CMD of Biofizz Agritech Private Limited. We are here to introduce you to a patented innovation that is creating a sustainable way by which we can increase the food productivity. Taking this ahead, we all are here gathered to address one common problem. That is the food security of the world, okay? And all our efforts in all the directions are targeted towards ensuring food security for the future generations. While doing so, we are going to require modern agriculture, which means it could be gathering data from satellite about the nutrient content in the soil. It could be about hydroponics, grow lights, drone systems for scouting for diseases, ULV formulations, precise application, and most of all is about aggregation of all these technologies which can be leveraged to increase the food productivity. So when you would be aggregating all these technologies, the future would look something like this. With the labor workforce diminishing in the agriculture area, you would be having drone systems would be doing the spraying, and you would also be having everything aggregated on a piece of iPad, right? But to achieve this futuristic, the future for agriculture, we have to start from where we are now, okay? And at the present moment, this is where we are, and the need for innovation requires us to find precision dosing, ULV formulations, reduce carbon footprint in agro, reduce your shipping costs, which are going up, reduce the plastic packaging requirements, ensuring farmer safety. We don't want to cultivate food at the cost of lives of the farmers. So that is one important aspect that we are targeting. And combining multiple active ingredients in a way where you can deliver or have much better bioefficacy. And of course, the last from the business perspective is the market differentiator. Having said this, let me just bring to you the figures that you already know. So the agrochemical industry spends about $3 billion on researching and identifying and bringing in new agrochemical molecules in the globe. To identify one single pesticide molecule, you have to scan through more than 160,000 different ingredients. And it takes about 11 years to bring a new molecule into the market, right from identifying to the bioefficacy to registration. And on an average, you are spending around $286 million to bring that molecule into the market. So much of effort and time goes into bringing a new chemistry to the market, okay? And when you bring that chemistry to the market, you already know when you have your tests that are conducted, right? And the bioefficacy trials that you conduct in this, the difference between a lower dose and a higher dose is usually 20 to 30% or 40% max. So what I'm trying to highlight here is, on the field level, you have a recommended dose. When a farmer will underdose your product, you are going to develop pesticide resistance very soon. And when you are going to overdose the product, you are going to build up on the toxicity, which is going to diminish the yields that you have. So what it requires is precision dosing, right? So to enable that, we have invented an effervescent tablet which offers a precise dose. a farmer has to now put only 1 tablet per tank for a knapsack sprayer. Okay? While we do that, we are ensuring that the farmer is offering a precise dose. So it not only helps in increasing the yields by 25 to 30%, but just imagine the amount of money that you would save by extending the life cycle of your product even just by 1 year, right? So it is a very profitable aspect of the agrochemical industry. It's a very simple solution, but a very creative one. While we make these tablets, these are made as per the pharma standards. So all the excipients that we use are pharma grade and the processes that we use are pharma grade. What happens is, while we do this, we ensure or get a uniform particle size. So when we talk about modern agriculture and the drone spraying systems, you are going to require a uniform particle size to ensure that the particles that you spray on the crop are uniformly distributed. So this is what is achieved by this particular aspect. When we also talk about the drone systems or precision applications, we understand that the current formulations that exist in the market are made to emulsify 200 liters of water. But with a drone system, you are going to require only 10 liters of water. So you are going to require new ULV formulations, which will not cause any kind of toxicity due to the excess emulsifiers present in the formulation of the product. Secondly, all the tablets are solvent-free, so there is a very lesser carbon footprint and you are carrying very less amount of technical to be delivered in the crops. It also reduces 90% of your shipping cost. Okay? It makes it so compact because of the removal of the solvents and emulsifiers. Other than the active ingredient, the other excipients are pharma grade, which means the tableting agents are as good as what are used for a human consumption. So it's very safe on the other ingredients. It also makes the product sustainable, has an extended shelf life because of the unique packaging that we have. And of course, we are reducing the carbon footprint of this agrochemical. Now, when we talk about agrochemicals, precisely most of the agrochemical pesticide formulations are available in plastic bottles. So, as per the Extended Producer Responsibility or the Plastic Waste Management Act, the manufacturers will have to get back or collect back the plastic bottles which are sold to the farmers. We are solving this challenge by offering the product in an aluminum foil, right? So, right in my hand is a strip packaging, okay? So it's just in aluminum foil. So what it does is you don't have to collect back the plastic. And because this is more sustainable, more recyclable material that is available, okay? And it is so user-friendly. A farmer just has to take out 1 tablet and drop it in the pump. He does not have to measure it, right? Secondly, there is no spillage. You might have seen how the pesticides are stored in the farm. There is so much of spillage, contamination, exposure, right? So this is spill-proof. Secondly, it's a different market differentiator, right? Nothing like this exists in the market. It makes the product cost-effective. The stability is increased because you do not open and close the bottle again and again. So the stability is increased. And there is a lot of convenience and handling. Now, every company typically has warehouses in different states. Where you used to require 5,000 square feet of warehouses, it can be done in just 500 square feet. Or you can carry an entire state stock in one vehicle. So that is how we are bringing in convenience. So one important aspect which I would like to highlight here is, as per the WHO figures, every year 2 lakh farmers die and 30 lakh farmers are hospitalized for using agrochemicals, right, due to mishandling of them. right? So we have a very simple solution to this. What we have done is we have brought in a tablet-in-tablet technology. So we have a tablet, and so we have this white color tablet here, okay? And let me drop it in front of you. So there is a coating on the tablet. So the farmer will never get in contact with the active ingredient. When he touches the product, it's a white color tablet. Within that is the active ingredient. So when it dissolves, right, he's not getting in contact with the active ingredient. That is how you can reduce the exposure of the farmer. Secondly, when you are applying this product through drone irrigation system, your exposure is completely gone. So you just saw how the white color tablet turned into a black color liquid, right? So this is how we can help save 2 lakh farmer lives and 30 lakh hospitalizations. And I think this is one of the biggest game changer that we would bring to the agrochemical industry. When it comes to the biostimulants, cofactors, coenzymes, and bringing in plant molecules that will increase the plant resilience, we have already seen their performance in the field. What it also means is that so there are a lot of studies that have been conducted which show that when you use these molecules multiple number of times in smaller quantities, they offer the best results. And that is why a lot of fertilizer companies and pesticide companies are incorporating these molecules in their formulations now, okay? So having said that, there will be a need for formulations where fertilizers and pesticides could incorporate some of these molecules for a better bioefficacy or much better results, which we have made possible in the tablet already. We are proud to announce that we are one of the world's only effervescent tablet manufacturer for biologicals. So we have built synergies with companies who could offer this process. So surviving the bacterias in a pressure and the heat of the tablet is a very complex process which we have achieved. So it is not just an effervescent tablet. There are so many technologies that are embedded within this one particular innovation to make this possible. So we have NPK consortia, PSB, KMB, ZNB, zinc solubilizing bacteria, and mycorrhiza as well. The benefit is the protective packaging extends the shelf life of the biologicals. Today, extended shelf life is one of the biggest aspects that you would like to achieve out of this. Secondly, I would just like to share an example. One of our customers from Ecuador, he used to buy mycorrhiza 500 gram per acre powder from India, and the shipping time was around 60 days. We converted the same formula into a 25 gram per acre per hectare effervescent tablet. And at the same cost of transport, now you could get the product in just 7 days. So 60 days versus 7 days. So when we are all talking of China plus one, I think we should have these innovations which are where the world will think India plus one. So that is where we are heading. When it comes to the fertilizers have inherently the fertilizers are made in liquid form because the nanoparticle dust should not go into your lungs. But the major problem with the liquid fertilizers is that the particles will begin to agglomerate. It is called the van der Waal forces. It's a physical property that when you reduce any particle size to nanoparticles, it will agglomerate. And that is where all the fertilizers are not working. So the bioefficacy is there initially, but after 3 months on the shelf, the bioefficacy goes down because of a simple physical principle. Now when you compact those nanoparticles into a tablet, the particles are not going to move. They remain there. And when you drop the tablet in water, the CO2 releases to mix or spread the particles uniformly everywhere. And that is the game changer here. So you can bring in a lot of fertilizers in tablet form and avoid agglomeration of the particles. In the biostimulants category, we have humic acids, seaweed extracts, amino acids, combinations, a lot of molecules made into effervescent tablets. The biggest game changer in the biostimulant category, or all this, one of the biggest advantages, in India, a lot of e-commerce companies came, but they had to pivot their business model because last mile delivery was a problem, okay? And the farmer cannot wait for 3 days to receive a delivery. In our backpack, you can carry 1,000 hectare worth of products, right? Making quick commerce a reality. You order the product and within next 15 minutes or 20 minutes, the product can be at your doorstep. So if you want to revolutionize quick commerce, these are the products that you are going to require. We have a broad patent and multiple patents to safeguard our technology. So we have effervescent tablet formulations of fertilizers, pesticides, micronutrients, growth promoters, biostimulants, everything covered in the patent that we have, okay? And in the tablet, we have been able to combine 3 to 4 different molecules along with biostimulants also, okay? So it is again a different innovation where you have combined different multiple active ingredients into one tablet. One of the interesting facts which we also saw during the presentation that Abhishek showed, there is only one Indian company that holds a technical patent. Rest all the patents that exist in the Indian market are formulation patents for the technical, which is in liquid form or in the powder form, which leaves a huge gap and entry into the market of patenting that technical in an effervescent tablet formulation and entering into that market space, because the formulation patent is only in liquid and powder and not in tablet. So it's a huge opportunity which is present here. Our journey so far in last 2 months, we have been in Africa, in Egypt. We have signed distributorship contracts. We participated in the agri-startup events where we won the first prize. We were selected by KVK Raftar, the Manage Institute. ICAR runs a program which is called the Agri Udan. So amongst 250 other startups, we were selected for the incubation. So a lot of things have been achieved. So we did almost 11 NDA agreements to do multiple trials of bioefficacy trials for these products everywhere globally. What we are doing right now is we are doing strategic partnership agreements, which are country level. So as of now, we have signed country level agreements in Egypt, Zambia, Vietnam, and Ecuador, and looking for country level distributors globally. Secondly, we are taking in strategic investors. So we are offering you all the opportunity to invest in our equity, against which we are offering you monopoly for various combination of products. So with this strategic B2B investor, we are offering this molecule-wise monopoly for next 15 to 20 years, okay? In that, we have already signed monopoly for humic acid tablets and also for a combination of CTPR plus lufenuron plus EMA tablet, which will be registered and sold globally and as well as in India. So this, again, there is also an opportunity for a majority stakeholder or a controlling stake in Biofizz, where you can invest and have a 60% plus stake in this company. Why we say so? Because we feel that the world is a bigger market, and a large company like yours wants to have this technology in your domain, in your control, to sell these products. We are open for those discussions, as well as our plan is to file multiple global patents across the world and expand this technology globally. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. You can reach us on stall number 12. My name is Yuvraj, and this is my contact number. Thank you for your time. If there are any questions or if you have a minute, we'll take it or we can proceed ahead.
For the knowledge, okay, we have a question.
Thank you so much for this very inspiring and excellent presentation. I do really recognize and understand the urge to save costs in terms of plastics, in terms of shipping and all that. But in my country, that tablet that you show is likely going to be ingested by some innocent person thinking that it's medicine. So what precautions are you putting in place to sort of prevent that type of accident to happen? Thank you.
Fantastic. So the tablet size is more than, so the diameter is large enough that it cannot go inside your windpipe or your throat, okay? You cannot swallow it. Yes, after you dissolve, then you can drink it. So can you do with the pesticides and with the granules, right? So after dissolving, everything is possible, but not direct. Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I request you to kindly be there in front of stage, and I request Mr. Ketan Mehta to join us to present a memento from PMFAI side. Dr. Yuvraj there. The world's only effervescent tablet manufacturers for this particular sector. Simple creative solutions. I guess it's a really interesting new product for the market. BioFizz. I can understand our guest's concern. It does look like a cola for your farm, but only for your farm. Yes. So keeping that in mind, thank you so much for the great research and development that your team managed to do. Congratulations. And with that, we move on to the next